Hello guys, welcome once again to Chesscraft online tutorial class. So in today's tutorial or today's class, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful love shape bag. Yes, as you can see, it's very beautiful and the tutorials are very well explained. So just get your materials ready and let's get started with today's lesson. I hope to see your work at the end of this video. So let's get started. So here are the materials we'll be needing for this project today. We have our sugar bead in color red. We also have our 0.8mm fishing line. We will also use plier to pull our thread very hard. We need scissors to cut our thread, and the main body of the bag, which is the plate, the beading plate. You can get this in various shape, but today we are using love shape. And we will also use this satin handle. This you can make it by yourself with a sewing machine or a needle if you can, or you get a seamstress around you to help you make this handle. And we also have our satin pouch. This we put it inside the bag because this is a transparent plate, so you will need this. It's not a necessity, it's not necessary though, but if you want to hide your items more, you can just put your items inside this pouch and then you drop it into your bag after making it. So basically these are the materials we'll be needing for today's tutorial. So get them ready and let's start with the lesson. So after you peel off the cover, this is how the plate look like. So to begin with, you cut a thread a reasonable length, the length you can control, and also the length, if possible, that can take you to weave from here up to here as the initial beginning. Okay, so but if you should take a thread that could not take you up to the end here, no problem, you can just end the thread and then you continue up to here before you continue weaving around it. So let's start and you'll be able to understand what I mean by that. So to begin, you just insert your thread into one of the hole, the beginning of the hole, or where you want to begin. Some people may not begin from the first hole, but in this case I'm beginning from the first hole, so I'll just insert my thread inside there, and this is what I'll be having. Then I'll get the other end of the thread to my hand, so I'll be having it this way. I'll pick one bead like this and I'll cross with the two edges of the fishing line. So I'll cross like this. I'll make sure the two edges are equal, then I'll pull it down. So when I pull it down, this is what I will be getting. Okay, so now get the two edges of the fishing line again. Make sure that your bead is on the plate, so get the two edges equal. So now open them up like this and pick three beads. Put one on each thread, then you cross with the third bead this way. Okay, bring the two edges together and then you pull it down. So when you pull it down, this is what you are going to get. Then you take your fishing line that is on the plate. Okay, you take your fishing line that is on the plate. In this case, the fishing line that is on my right hand is what is on the plate, so you take that one and get the edge of it, which is like this. Now we are going to enter the next hole. Okay, you enter the next hole, then you hold the fishing line that you used to enter the next hole, you pull it out. Okay, so you pull it out, this is what you are going to get. So when you pull that fishing line out, bring it to come and pass this particular bead the one you used to cross the 3 beads. So you go back inside like this. Okay, go back inside like this. Now you pull it out, just to make sure that this particular bead is also firm to this next hole. So you pull it out. Okay, so you get something like this. Okay, so now you get the 2 edge again. Then you pick 3 beads again like this. You put one on each thread, then you cross with the 3rd bead this way. Then you pull it down. Okay, so when you pull it down, you'll be having something like this. So for you to be able to secure it to the next hole, you use your fishing line that is on the plate, or the right fishing line. You get the edge and then you put it into the next hole like this. Okay, then you pull it out. So when you pull it out, the bead is not secure yet. Okay, so when you pull it out, you bring the thread and come and pass this bead that you used to cross it again. You come and pass back this way. Okay, then you pull it out. Then you pull it out. Okay, so this is how we are going to continue until we get here. But you realize that each hole has one bead, one thread crossing it. Okay, when you turn the back, because this is a love shape, this is a love shape. If you go one in each hole, you will not be able to get a very nice shape after you are done with your first row. So what I do is that after every two, the third one is going to be 2 in this hole. So I'll come back and add 1 to it into the first hole. The first hole will have 2 thread crossing it, then the next 2 will have 1, then the third one will have 2. So the next 2 will also have 1, then the next will have 2. So I'm just going to show you, but this is just the explanation I'm doing. I'm going to show you how to go about that.